Hey fellow traders! In this video we're gonna take a look at the reversal fractals indicator for MT4. You can download this indicator by the link in the description below. To run this indicator, simply drag the reversal fractals indicator from the indicator list to your MT4 chart, and please don't forget to click on the loaded imports in the settings window. I also want to recommend you the FXSI order book indicator. It is an ultimate tool for analyzing market sentiment and crowd behavior. On the left side you can see the distribution of stop loss and limit orders of retail traders. On the right we have positioning of open trades. Blue are lost trades, orange winning trades. To the left, sellers. To the right, buyers. This information provides infinite possibilities for market analysis. Learn more and try this indicator for free using the link in the description below. Along with order book, you will also get access to 7 other sentiment indicators. Take a look at the chart and you can assume the market is moving sporadically and of its own accord. But upon closer inspection, you can notice some patterns in the charts. Fractals are one such pattern. The reversal fractals indicator points out the formation of price reversals on the chart with use of the arrows. An arrow on the top price means a reversal has occurred to the downside. Conversely, an arrow below the price is a signal of potential reversal upside. What seems like disadvantage of this reversal fractals indicator is that it gives a lot of signals. After all, with more signal there is an increased risk of false signals. However, there are ways to take advantage of these many signals in your trading. So how to trade with the reversal fractals indicator? Although the name suggests it is reversal trading indicator, it is best to use as a trend continuation trading tool. This might sound counterintuitive since fractals are more for trend reversal trading than trend trading. But this reversal fractals indicator shows enough promise in trend continuation trading. The trick is to locate already established major trends on the chart, then use the fractals indicator to make trend continuation trades in the direction of the major trend. You use the indicator to catch pullbacks and trade their trend continuation. You may rely on other technical indicator tools to determine the major trends on the chart, and thanks to many trade signals it gives, you will hardly miss any pullback. The trend reversal trading method is another way to use the reversal fractals indicator on your MT4. You wait for reversal signals to appear and you make the trade. That's it. In the indicator inputs we can change only one setting. When this option is set to true, the fractals awaits the completion of the last candlestick in the pattern before giving a signal. And in the colors tab we can change the colors and size of the indicator arrows. The fractals indicator is best for all Forex traders. However, beginner Forex traders may find indicator to be more useful as it helps them to determine potential price reversal and also trend continuation on major trends. Moreover, you can download this indicator by the link in the description below. Bye bye.